All right, this exercise is called pelvic tilts. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and sit on the ball here. Make sure that our spine is starting off in a neutral position. So you don't wanna be too far arched and you don't wanna be too far rounded, okay? So we're gonna start in the neutral position here. We're gonna make sure that our feet are in contact with the floor. It's gonna help with stability. So from here, what we're gonna do is we're going to think about rounding the low back just slightly and think about tightening the abdominals. So you're gonna hold that for about 10 to 15 seconds and then relax. And then you're going to crunch the abs as you roll your low back flat and relax and tighten. So the motion is created by the abdominals. You wanna make sure that you're tightening the abs as you bring the low back into a little bit of a round position. And relax and tighten and relax. So you're gonna do about 15 reps of that. Do that about 4 times a day. And those are some exercises for your low back pain. If you guys continue to have pain, please consult your medical professional.